And Snowman 3. We're off to see the snowman. Well, we're going off to lunch first and then we're going to the snowman. It's a very exciting day and we're in a taxi for the first time in, well, as a family ever. Very exciting.
And this one goes.
That was the right piece, darling. It's just the upside down. Oh, there you go, see?
And this one goes.
Nearly.
Here.
Well done, my darling. That was brilliant. Right, should we do a stickman one? So Daddy's teaching next door. So B and I are going to be, what are we going to be?
Quiet mice.
Quiet as a mouse. We're going to tiptoe and sneak in and grab your My Little Ponies so that you can play with them with your new Queen Nova. Have you got it? Yeah, there's Queen Nova. Okay, shh, B. Shh.
No problem.
There's Queen Nova's daughter.
Do we have her?
Oh, here she is.
Oh, there she is. B, are we in a taxi?
Yeah.
This
Where are
is
we
so
going?
exciting.
What are we going to see?
Can I see your dress? What's on your dress? Oh. Oh, it's probably quite wet. So we're coming to lunch in this amazing restaurant that I've wanted to go to for years. Called Sarastra. Wow, look at this.
Hi. Hey, how
Hi.
you doing? Yeah.
Wow.
I think it's under your name.
Oh, this is amazing.
Hello. Oh, are we going up?
Whoa!
Oh, are we going up? Oh, buddy.
You're making lots of cakes.
Wow.
It's selling us insurance. We thought that it looked quite magical. It says call independent insurance. Insurance, please. I don't think you have any insurance.
Even the adverts are
Really good. It smells really good.
Can I carry on? This place is amazing. I couldn't recommend it more. It's on Drury Lane. It's great food. It's great atmosphere. Lovely, lovely people. And just look at it. It's so good. B has got the menu. So B, we're leaving, darling. We're leaving, so you got to go to the door, sweetheart. Well done. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. What are we here to see, B? Yay!
Do you want to sit on Daddy's knee?
Now we can decorate it.
Okay, we are bracelet making with B the teacher, and that's my
How can
one.
we decorate?
Oh, how
What do
should we
you think,
decorate it?
teacher?
Should we wrap a different colour around it to make it a twizzle whizzle?
No.
No,
Because we know we need
It's got to come from
one
B,
bit
I
of
shall
string
say.
at a time.
Okay.
We know by now that
Do you
with
want
B.
me to suggest anything, or have you got an
That's
idea?
a nice pom-pom.
Isn't it?
With B, if you start suggesting, she'll say no, so it has to come from
Look at
her.
my bracelet.
That's
a
lovely.
good one.
We can make pom-poms another time.
Okay.
We can make pom-pom bracelets another time.
Okay,
I
sweetheart.
know what we should make on Tuesday
On
at
Tuesday.
this school.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Dust
Oh,
bunnies,
ready.
that's a great... B, it's advent calendar time.
It's up here. Well, that was yesterday's. That was yesterday's clue.
And where's this school?
Well, let's have a look, shall we? So we've done 1, 2. What number's next? 3. There's a clue. Shall we have a look? I'll read it to you, baby. Of course. Come here, gorgeous. Oh, it's a bit sticky, so it's hard to open. Oh, I think this is a post-it note. Okay, you ready? Brr, it's getting colder. You need something warm to wear. But where is your Advent gift? Is he swimming inside there? So what happens when you get colder, Bee? What do I always say to you? Ah, but what do you, it says you need something warm to wear.
A cardigan.
Yeah, go on. Where would you find a cardigan? Where would you find your cardigans?
In hooks.
In hooks. What? Now, where are your warm clothes, Bee? Where do I always say, if you need something warm, you get them from? There are some there, you're absolutely right.
And there.
Ah, but there's also somewhere else where there's lots of warm things. All your jumpers.
Up in my bed.
Never been up in your bed.
Yes, there is Bunny.
You're oh, well, Bonnie is down here actually, but you're very close to me. Where do your jumpers live? Where do your jumpers live? You're getting colder. This is a hard clue today, hey?
B, I think they're in here. Where do you go if you want some warm clothes?
Here.
We don't keep your warm clothes in that room. Where do we keep them?
Here.
There are admittedly some warm clothes right there. And where else?
Is he swimming inside there?
What's that?
The orca.
Can we see?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Can you hold him up for us? Oh, is he a model orca?
He's lovely, darling. Is he swimming? He's like jumping. Good old orca.
Is he actually a plastic one or is he a China one? Oh, I think that means he's made of China then.
Yeah, he's beautiful. Oh.
You know, are you going to put him upstairs or are you going to put him in your museum?
In my museum.
Should we go and put him in the museum?
That's China or had a China orca toy.
Oh. Well, you're really careful with your toys and you look after them. So we thought that you could have some China now. Yeah.
And I do like China.
Good.
And I do like China orcas.
Good, my darling. Do you want to say happy 3rd of December?
Happy 3rd of December.
I love you, darling. Mwah.
Happy 3rd of December, Daddy. Happy 3rd of December, Mummy.
Aw.
Happy 3rd of December, Beatrix. I said my name! I can put this in my
Oh, yeah.
What's that on your jumper?
snowman.
Oh,
And why did we wear that jumper today? What did you go and see?
The snowman.
What was your favourite part of the snowman?
Flying.
Flying, yeah, that was so good, wasn't it? It's the orca flying like the snowman. Right, little one.
Where do you want to put your orchid today then? Are you going to put him in your museum now, or are you going to keep him with you today?
Am I going to put him in my museum now?
Come on then.
Oh, my love.
Off you go.
In the way.
Ah, I'm on your way.
Pay the museum.
Oh, you pay in the museum. In you go. There you go. Oh. Right, where's the orchid going to live? Does he fit in there? Oh, it fits perfectly. Can I have a close look at it? Look at that.
Hey, so it's my turn for the advent calendar. So the third it is. Hi, darling. Do you want to open this for me? But this is my sewing advent calendar. Come on up.
What is
You can open door 3 for me.
what is the inside?
So it's stuff for me. Don't get too excited. Okay, so I'll puncture that and then just pull.
There might be a little pool.
There might be a little clue. This one doesn't have clues. This one's just little sewing gifts for Mummy. Okay. Oh, there you go. You pull the other
There's
door.
a pool.
Is there? You pull the other door up. There we go. What's inside? Ooh,
You go.
it's called a seam ripper. A really nice seam ripper. Very ergonomic, I think they call them. When
I
they're-
want to see Ripper.
you want a seam ripper. So a seam ripper, should I tell you what a seam ripper does? So if you sew this and you sew it wrong, you're like, oh no, I've sewn it wrong. You get the seam ripper out and you take out the stitches. There's a little blade there, so you take out the stitches. I'm not going to actually do it because this is sewn right. But this is a really nice one because you can like hold it and use it in a really good way.
Another.
No, because it's only one a day, isn't it? That's how advent calendars work. So we've had number 1, I got safety pins. Number 2, I got hand needles and a hand needle holder. I know what it is now. Thank you, guys. And number 3 was the seam ripper. So who knows what number 4 will be tomorrow. And so you have your advent gift and then I get mine.
This one be.
What will that one be? I mean, that's the day before Christmas Eve, so that's getting very exciting. Oh, cheeky. Come on, you little monkey. Aren't you meant to be getting... You've only got a few more minutes left
Is the
until
bath
bath time. Yeah.
Oh,
Go on, you go play one before bath time.
I go to get the rest of. I was then about to get the rest of the toys from my museum.
Oh, yeah, that's what you were going to do. Wait, let me just put this up here. Okay, guys, so that is the end of Vlogmas Day 3. What a lovely day. It was so nice to go out with friends. That restaurant was amazing. It's called Sarastro, I think. I might say that wrong. Sarostro? I don't know, but it was so good. The food was amazing and just the whole atmosphere. The place was incredible. The snowman was really lovely. I do think we've maybe spoiled ourselves with Totoro last week because my neighbour Totoro, we went to sit at the Barbican, was spellbindingly magical. So I feel like everything after it is going to be like, oh, it wasn't quite Totoro, but it was still really lovely and very festive. And yeah, just such a nice little thing for us all to do as a family. So it's been a wonderful day. We're now tidying up the lounge, getting ready for the Christmas trees coming tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I'm looking forward to seeing tomorrow. Can't wait to see what it has in store. Thank you again for your lovely comments and love. It's been amazing. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.